Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the topic diazonium salts. First, let's see how the diazonium salts are represented. They are represented by ArN2X minus. Here, this Ar, it is representing the aryl group. Here, we had discussed when we were talking about the properties of amines. There, we had discussed that alkyl diazonium salts, they were highly unstable as compared to benzene diazonium salts. So this Ar, it is mainly the aryl group, that is the derivative of benzene. Then this N2, it is diazonium group. This is diazonium group. And this X minus, it is the anion part. It can be halide, it can be chloride, it can be bromide, it can be BF4, or it can be the HSO4. Okay, so accordingly we will write its name. Suppose we are having C6H5N2Cl. So its name will be benzene diazonium chloride. If it is instead of the Cl we are having Br, then its name will be benzene diazonium bromide. If instead of this Br we are having BF4, then it will be benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Okay, so accordingly you can write its name depending on the anion present. Now these diazonium salts, students, they are highly unstable and they cannot be stored because they are unstable. They are used as soon as they are prepared. Okay, and they are unstable when they are warmed. They react with the water, but they are quite stable for a little bit. They are stable in the cold. And why they are stable? Due to resonance. So let's see their resonating structures. They are stable in cold. So we will draw the resonating structures. Okay. Now I will use the black color so that we can easily see. Now the movement of the electron will be somewhat like this. It will shift between carbon and nitrogen, and this triple bond pair, one of the electron pair will shift on this nitrogen, and the structure will be having positive charge on the ortho position. Two bonds remain as it is. There will be a double bond between nitrogen. Triple bond will convert into double bond, and there will be two lone pairs now, and negative charge will be carried by this nitrogen, and this positive charge will remain as it is. Okay, now we will rotate this charge at ortho and para positions. So how it will done? This bond will shift here. The next resonating structure will be like this. Here we will have two pi bonds, and at para position the positive charge, a partial double bond, or you can say a double bond is there between these carbon and nitrogen, and this nitrogen will have the two lone pairs and carrying a positive charge. Okay, now the next structure, you will shift this bond over here. So this positive charge now will be carried at this ortho position. Okay, now the last one, you just shift back this double bond electron over here, and this negative charge will come back. The lone pair of electron will come back between two nitrogen, and the structure will be this one. There will be three pi bonds, and single bond, double bond will convert into single bond, and here triple bond will be there again, a lone pair of electron and a positive charge. Okay, so the Diazonium salts, actually the arene diazonium ions, they are stable in cold due to this resonance. They are showing different resonating structures. That's why they are stable. And generally we are saying that they are water soluble. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride जो होता है, they are water soluble, colorless होते हैं and they are stable in cold. जब water से react कर लेते हैं when they are warmed. Okay, now let's come to the part how they can be prepared. When we were discussing the properties of amines, we had seen that whenever the arenes, anilines, they were reacting with a nitrating mixture NaNO2 plus HCl C6H5NH2, not nitrating mixture students. Here we are using NaNO2 and HCl. What it is going to generate inside to ये मिलके in the reaction mixture it will form HNO2, that is the nitrous acid. And what is the specific feature of this reaction? It has to be carried at 0 to 5 degree Celsius, or you can write 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, and we get this compound benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, and the name of this reaction, क्या नाम था इस रिएक्शन का? डाइएजोटाइजेशन. Okay, so this we had already discussed. Now we are going to study the reactions, the chemical properties. Let's see them. Benzene diazonium chloride, we had discussed in haloalkanes how the different haloarenes can be formed with this benzene diazonium chloride. Students, learn the reactions of BDC very carefully because this is a very important intermediate compound, and in doing the conversions it is very helpful. Okay, so first we will take the reactions in which the diazonium group, it is replaced, there's a displacement of this diazonium group in the form of nitrogen. It comes out from the BDC in the form of nitrogen and a monovalent group is introduced at its place. Let's see how. C6H5N2Cl. We are going to see different reactions. Okay, first we will write the CuCl and HCl. When it combines with cuprous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid, we know that C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene, was formed. And if we are using CuBr along with HBr, we know that the product was C6H5Br. And if we use CuCl, copper cyanide, in presence of HCN, then you will get cyanobenzene C6H5Cn along with the formation of nitrogen molecule in all. Okay, and if you remember, this is a name reaction and it was a Sandmeyer reaction. याद रखेंगे इसको. This is the Sandmeyer reaction when chlorobenzene, bromobenzene or cyanobenzene was produced using these reagents. Now, instead of CuCl, if you are using Cu along with HCl, the product will be same, C6H5Cl along with nitrogen along with CuCl. Okay, and if you use Cu along with HBr, so product will be C6H5Br, bromobenzene मिल जाएगा along with nitrogen, along with what will happen? Cu will combine with the Cl because Br has to be introduced, so we will get CuCl. And what was the name of this reaction? Getterman reaction. नेम रिएक्शन याद रखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, now if I have to form iodobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride, so what I will do, I will make it to react with potassium iodide. We will take one pen only, and if I have to make it convert into fluorobenzene, then what I will do? If I have to convert it into benzene, then what I will do, with what it will react? If I have to convert it into phenol, then with which reagent it will combine? And in the last, if I have to convert it into nitrobenzene, then what will we are going to take? Let's see these reactions. First here I have to convert BDC into iodobenzene. So हम क्या करेंगे? Ki पोटेशियम आयोडाइड के साथ इसको हम वार्म करेंगे. Okay, this iodide will get introduced in the ring and we will get C6H5I. Okay, along with the side product N2 and KCl, and we got iodobenzene, and potassium has come out in the form of chloride. Now if we have to convert BDC into fluorobenzene, so first आप क्या करोगे? उसको रिएक्ट करवाओगे HBF4, फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड. दिस इज फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड. ठीक है, हम इसको फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड के साथ जब ट्रीट करवाएंगे, वी गेट बेंजीन डाइएजोनियम टेट्राफ्लोरोबोरेट. उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स इंटरमीडिएट का? C6H5, C6H5N2, BF4. ओके, HCl बाहर आ जाएगा and we will get benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Okay, अच्छा, now we will heat this compound. अगर इसको हम हीट करेंगे तो देखो साइड प्रोडक्ट क्या निकलेगा यहाँ से? माइनस BF3 निकल गया, नाइट्रोजन निकल जाएगा. This diazonium group will come out in the form of nitrogen molecule, and what will remain behind in the left, in the last, C6H5F, फ्लोरोबेंजीन. सो अगर आपको BDC को कन्वर्ट करना है फ्लोरोबेंजीन में, फर्स्ट यू विल मेक इट टू रिएक्ट विद फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड, देन हीट दैट इंटरमीडिएट एंड यू विल गेट फ्लोरोबेंजीन. नाउ if we will make it to react with the reducing agent like C2H5OH, या तो हम इथेनॉल ले रहे हैं, अल्कोहल ले रहे हैं, या फिर हम ले रहे हैं H3PO2. दिस इज फॉस्फेनिक एसिड, PHOSPHINIC, फॉस्फेनिक एसिड. ठीक है, सो अब क्या होगा बेटा? यहाँ पे जो BDC है, it will undergoes reduction, and this compound which is acting as a reducing agent, it will gets oxidized. So BDC जो है it will convert into C6H6. अगर आपको BDC को बेंजीन रिंग में कन्वर्ट करना है, यू विल मेक इट टू रिएक्ट विद द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट लाइक इथेनॉल और फॉस्फेनिक एसिड अलोंग विथ वाटर. सो अब ये जो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है इटसेल्फ अंडरगोस ऑक्सीडेशन, तो साथ में वो क्या बना देगा? ये 2 कार्बन का अल्कोहल है तो 2 कार्बन का हम एल्डिहाइड बना देंगे, CH3CHO. along with this, if you are taking H3PO2, तो वो क्या बना देगा यहाँ पे? H3PO3. okay, along with nitrogen molecule. So this is a very important reaction. It will be utilized in many conversions. ठीक है, okay, next reaction, if we have to convert BDC into phenol, तो हम क्या करेंगे? First we will write the product. C6H5OH बनाना है हमें, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? We will warm it with water. अगर आप इसको वाटर के साथ वार्म करोगे तो इट विल कंबाइन विथ OH पार्ट एंड इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू फिनॉल. ओके, एंड द लास्ट वन, इफ यू आर रिएक्टिंग इट विथ, अगेन मैं HBF4 ले रही हूँ बेटा, इफ यू आर रिएक्टिंग इट विथ फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड, तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या बना था यहाँ पे? दिस वन इंटरमीडिएट सेम ही होगा. वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट अगेन, C6H5N2BF4. ठीक है, नाउ if I have to convert this intermediate into nitrobenzene, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to heat it with NaNO2. इसको हम वार्म करेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कॉपर. NaNO2 के साथ रिएक्ट करवाएंगे, वार्म करेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कॉपर. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट? NaBF4 will come out as a side product. ठीक है, जो नाइट्रोजन है, डायजोनियम जो ग्रुप है, इट विल कम आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, एंड NO2 ग्रुप विल गेट इंट्रोड्यूस इन द रिंग एंड वी विल गेट नाइट्रोबेंजीन, C6H5NO2. along with this NaBF4 along with nitrogen molecule. So ये कुछ reactions है, 8 reactions where we are converting BDC into different compounds. Let's quickly revise. BDC को convert करना है chlorobenzene में. You can either use CuCl HCl or you can use CuHCl. One is Sandmeyer, one is Getterman reaction. If you have to convert into bromobenzene, either you can use CuBr, HBr, or you can use copper in presence of HBr. The first one it is Sandmeyer, the next one it is the Getterman's reaction. Cyanobenzene, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है बेटा. अगर आपको एक कार्बन इंक्रीज करना है, the group which is attached with this benzene diazonium chloride, abhi I will tell you the conversion, some of the conversion. If you have to increase one carbon, तो आप इस reaction को use करोगे because cyanide group gets introduced. Okay, one carbon will increase. Now इफ यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस आयोडाइड, आपको अगर इसको आइडोबेंजीन में बनाना है तो KI के साथ वार्म करोगे. इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू फ्लोरोबेंजीन तो आप पहले फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड के साथ हीट करोगे, फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड के साथ ट्रीट करोगे एंड देन यू विल गेट बेंजीन डायजोनियम टेट्राफ्लोरोबोरेट और हीट करोगे, देन यू विल गेट फ्लोरोबेंजीन. इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू बेंजीन तो आप क्या करोगे, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट यूज करोगे, आइदर इथेनॉल और फॉस्फेनिक एसिड विथ वाटर, तो आपको मिल जाएगा बेंजीन और यहाँ पे वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. इट विल अंडरगो ऑक्सीडेशन एंड इट विल फॉर्म कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग कंपाउंड. इथेनॉल है तो वो एल्डिहाइड बना देगा, फॉस्फेनिक एसिड है तो फॉस्फोरस एसिड बना देगा. एंड इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू फिनॉल तो वाटर के साथ वार्म कर दोगे. अगर आपको नाइट्रोबेंजीन बनाना है तो आप फर्स्ट फ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड के साथ ट्रीट करोगे, देन NaNO2 के साथ हीट करोगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कॉपर. सो हियर यू विल गेट नाइट्रोबेंजीन. ओके, देयर आर two more reactions in which this diazonium group it is retented. There is a retention of this diazonium group in the molecule, and those two reactions they are called as coupling reactions. Let's see them. C6H5N2Cl. ठीक है, when it is reacting with phenol, I will draw the ring so that you can understand how the product gets formed. This is phenol. अब हम इसका स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं कि BDC when combines with phenol, what is the structure of the product forms? देखो पहले हम ये पार्ट लेंगे, C6H5 बेंजीन बना दिया हमने. Then diazonium part we have to show. ओके, एंड दिस OH क्या होगा, यहाँ का जो पैरा हाइड्रोजन है इट विल रिएक्ट विद दिस Cl. सो विथ डायazonium पार्ट द फिनॉल रिंग इज गोइंग टू अटैच बाय इट्स पैरा पोजीशन. सो इसका स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह का हो जाएगा कुछ. ओके, एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग OH ग्रुप. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड, दिस इज पैरा हाइड्रोक्सी एजोबेंजीन. Okay, और इसका these are the dyes because they are having the colors and these are used for dyeing purposes, and this is having orange color. Okay, orange dye is used, and these reactions, these are the examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, now if it is combining with aniline, amines जिसमें है, ठीक है. So I'm writing the structure down. What will be the structure of the product when BDC combines with the aniline? Let's draw it. We will start from here only. Okay, diazonium group बना देंगे. Okay, now the Cl again combines with the hydrogen which is at the para position. So we will draw the next benzene ring and followed by NH2 group. Now what will be the name of this compound? Para पे क्या है, amino group. So para amino azobenzene. इसका कलर होता है येलो. This is yellow dye. Okay, so this was about the reactions in which the diazonium group it is remained there. There's a retention, and the name of these two reaction it is coupling reaction. Okay, याद रखेंगे कपलिंग रिएक्शन पे कई बार शॉर्ट नोट भी आ जाता है. एंड एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ टेस्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई फिनॉल्स. देखो फिनॉल्स की जब तुम रिएक्शन बीडीसी के साथ करवाते हो तो दे आर फॉर्मिंग द ऑरेंज कलर डाइज, है ना। तो ये टेस्ट हो गया फिनॉल के आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए। देयर इन द चैप्टर फिनॉल वी हैव डिस्कस दैट इट वाज गिविंग व्हाइट पीपीटी विद द ब्रोमीन वाटर, है ना। इट वाज गिविंग दैट न्यूट्रल FeCl3 के साथ वायलेट कलरेशन दे रहा था। ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द टेस्ट। कपलिंग रिएक्शन से भी आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो कि फिनॉल है या नहीं है। इफ इट गिव्स ऑरेंज डाई, yes it is the having the phenol, and if it is giving not this orange dye, then it is not having the phenol. So this was all about the reactions of the diazonium salts BDC. Students, though this topic has been deleted from our syllabus, but still this is very important topic, so I thought we should go for it. Okay, we will do some conversion. In text questions we will take convert 3-methyl aniline into 2-nitrotoluene. 3-methyl aniline, students. Let's draw the structure of both the compounds. Three-methyl aniline. This is aniline and 3-methyl CH3. ठीक है, it has to be converted into 3-nitrotoluene. 3-nitrotoluene. Toluene that means CH3 group as it is रहेगा और यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा NO2 ग्रुप। बहुत सिंपल सा है, हमें कन्वर्ट क्या करना है, सिंपल NH2 ग्रुप को बदलना है NO2 ग्रुप के अंदर। ये रिएक्शन याद रखो। NH2 ग्रुप को देखो, हमारा जो था एनिलीन, एनिलीन को पहले डायजोटाइजेशन करवाओ, यू विल गेट BDC C6H5N2Cl। C6H5N2Cl की टेट्राफ्लोरोबोरिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन करवाओ, इंटरमीडिएट मिल गया। NaNO2 हीट करो कॉपर के प्रेजेंस में, आपको नाइट्रोबेंजीन मिल जाएगा। यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिला था, C6H5NO2। okay, so in this way you can do it. I think it will be in 2 steps. first step में ये हो जाएगा, second step में ये हो जाएगा। ठीक है, okay, next one, aniline. They are converting aniline into 1,3,5 tribromobenzene. 1,3,5 ये ले लेते हैं अपन, 1,3,5 tribromobenzene. Now we have to convert aniline into this compound. So देखो स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ा सा माइंड में स्केच बनाएंगे हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोसीड। aniline, if it reacts with the bromine water, it will give tri substituted product. Let's draw it. bromine water के साथ इसको रिएक्ट करवा दो, what you will get, and here it will be aniline, 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Okay, now we have to obtain this compound, यानी इस compound में NH2 group नहीं है, we have to remove this NH2 group, यानी हम क्या करें, इस ग्रुप में से NH2 को गायब करना है। that means it has to be converted into benzene. so हमने क्या करना है, रिएक्शन एनिलीन को कन्वर्ट करवाना है BDC में, और BDC को रिएक्ट करवाना है अल्कोहल के साथ। अल्कोहल के साथ या फिर फॉस्फेनिक एसिड वाटर के साथ करवाओगे तो इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू बेंजीन। लिख लेते हैं, first we will make it to react with NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. What we will get, benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl. ठीक है, now when this benzene diazonium chloride it reacts with C2H5OH, बेटा यहाँ पे ये Br लगा देना, ऑलरेडी जो है ग्रुप्स we have to keep it like it as it is, Br as it is है, NH2 को कन्वर्ट कर दिया डायजोनियम क्लोराइड ग्रुप के अंदर, अल्कोहल के साथ हमने इसको ट्रीट किया, so this N2Cl will remove this ethanol, will get oxidized to ethanol and we will get this compound. Okay, so students, I had discussed 2 questions with you and you can practice other questions also in the back exercise. Very good questions are given in our NCERT book. Thank you, goodbye.